Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Yoda is derived from the Sanskrit word Yodha, a supremely talented warrior, a fighter. Swaziland is the only country in Africa with an absolute monarchy. The simple hand signal that lets people know you are in danger. If you arrange the first letters of the names of the main characters in Inceptions, you would get dreams. Drake dressed as Michael Jackson in Degrassi 2002. Nike's first pair of running shoes were made using a waffle iron which created grooves on the soles. These then helped to grip the surface of running tracks when athletes wore them. Humans can glow in the dark, however, the glow is too weak for the human eye to detect. If you continue to chase any woman, she does not need you anymore. Only one McDonald's in the world has bluish-green arcs. Sedona City in Arizona thought yellow clashed with the natural red rock. B.F. Skinner created a temperature-controlled baby crib that he called the hair conditioner. Difference between tap water and boiled water ice. It took the world population only 200,000 years to reach 1 billion, while just only 200 years to reach 7 billion. Coin banks are often shaped like pigs because long ago the jars in which people saved money were made with a clay called pig. Lost ATM or debit card. Hold your card instead of blocking or cancelling. If you ever found it, you can use without report and without theft usage. The Champagne region in France is best known for the production of the sparkling white wine that bears the region's name. Marriage is more likely to improve the quality of life for men but decrease the well-being of women according to a professor from the London School of Economics. Coffee was discovered in Ethiopia. More specifically, a goat herder noticed that his goats liked a certain kind of berry which kept them awake at night when they ate it. He then turned that berry into a drink at his monastery. That berry was coffee. Komodo dragons literally just go around eating anything that fits into their mouth. A 2014 study found that 1 in 4 Americans did not know the earth revolved around the sun. Only 48% knew that humans evolved from earlier species of animals as well. Is a place in Turkey where visitors can soak in naturally formed travertine limestone pools. Since Roman times, water temperatures there range from 35 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Hangovers cost the US an estimated $220 billion a year in lost productivity. It is designed as an inverted temple. It has 7 levels to explore and more than 1,000 sculptures. It was constructed in the 11th century AD to memorialize King Bhimdev I. McDonald's makes nearly $58 million a day. There was a famous Japanese game show in which die-hard baseball fan contestants were locked individually in small rooms for an entire baseball season. If their favorite team won each night, they got dinner for the evening. If their team lost, the lights would be turned out until the next win. Driveway have oil stains. Pour some soda on it. Douse each stain in a couple of cans of lukewarm cola and let it soak in overnight. Then wipe the excess liquid away in the morning. Kit Kat is produced by Nestlé's everywhere in the world except in the US. where it's produced by their competitor Hershey. Animals can experience time differently from humans. To smaller animals, the world around them moves more slowly compared to humans. Salamanders and lizards, for example, experience time more slowly than cats and dogs. This is because the perception of time depends on how quickly the brain can process incoming information. Is a series of palaces and gardens located in St. Petersburg, Russia, commissioned by Peter the Great as a direct response to the Palace of Versailles. Dolly Parton has a program that will mail your child a free book once a month until the age of 5. There is no fees, no catch, no obligations. She just wants kids to read books. Dolphins can identify humans by checking their skeleton structure through their sonar. They often help shipwreck victims fight sharks and stay afloat because, as mammals, they understand drowning. Gary, former chess champion, once described a Hungarian female chess player as a circus player and said that women chess players should stick to having children. Fake mangoes are in market, stay alert. Mango season is here, and with that, fake mangoes are also being circulated in market. Food safety official in Chennai seized 7,500 kg of fake mangoes. Fake mangoes are injected with chemical etyphon to make it sweet and faster ripening. Etyphon is cancer causing at extreme cases, and eating this mangoes can fail your kidneys. Solution: take water in a utensil and put your mangoes. If it settles down, then it's real. If it floats, then most likely chemical was used. So before enjoying your amrus or mango shake, make sure it's a real mango and not artificial or fake mangoes. Thanks for watching.